In the last video, we explained why change management is crucial. Today, we'll show you what it looks like in practice. Using 3 real-life projects, we'll take a look at the tools and methods companies use to successfully implement change. When introducing SAP S/4HANA, Comvista recognized early on that technical changes alone do not lead to success. Therefore, a comprehensive change management concept was developed based on several pillars. Interactive training courses with SAP Enable now not only informed employees, but also actively introduced them to the new system. In addition, Comvista built up a network of so-called change agents, key individuals who served as multipliers and first points of contact within the company. Stakeholder analyses and impact analyses were used to identify early on where resistance might arise. This enabled targeted measures to be developed to reduce uncertainty and create acceptance. The result was a smoothly accompanied change that focused not only on technology, but above all on people. Accenture faced a huge challenge, transitioning from a private partnership to a global, publicly traded organization, all on the basis of a new, centralized SAP S/4HANA platform. It quickly became clear that change management could not end with the go-live. Instead, Accenture opted for a permanent change enablement program that supported employees throughout the entire life cycle. Key components included new support processes, regular training opportunities, and open, continuous user communication. IT and business departments worked closely together to seamlessly integrate technological and organizational changes. Particular emphasis was placed on the importance of patience and perseverance, as the actual business benefits only became apparent months after go-live and had to be continuously consolidated through sustainable measures. A company in the consumer goods industry faced several challenges. Rising raw material prices, new D2C business models, stressed employees, and fragmented IT systems made change necessary. Change management was not seen as an additional task, but as a central element of the transformation. Using the powered enterprise methodology, the company restructured its processes and used tools such as SAP Signavio and Leanix to bring transparency to IT and business processes. Early communication about the purpose of the project, dialogue formats for employees, and targeted leadership development ensured motivation throughout the entire process. The result was not only a new SAP landscape, but also a profound cultural change that laid the foundation for future innovation and automation. All examples clearly show that companies that take change management seriously reduce risks and increase acceptance. Whether digital training, change agents, or continuous communication, the method must fit the project. People are always at the center of change because their motivation, concerns, and willingness to change determine success or failure. That's why it's important to listen early on, build trust, and provide emotional security. It is also important to start early, make regular adjustments, and actively involve all stakeholders. Agile methods such as Scrum are becoming increasingly important, especially in dynamic projects such as the introduction of SAP S/4HANA. Short feedback cycles, iterative planning, and autonomous teams allow changes to be made more quickly and adaptably. Change management and agile frameworks reinforce each other here. That was our second video. We saw how change management works in practice, with clear methods and concrete tools. In the next video, we will take a look at the integration of change management in SAP Activate.